friends out there. So here is my turkey spaghetti, and this looks pretty good, and it was cheap as dirt too. Ooh, this looks good. So I bought this spaghetti sauce for $1. One of the things I stockpile is spaghetti sauce. And then I bought these turkey burgers at Dollar Tree, $1 each. And I just fried the turkey burger. And then I bought this giant package of spaghetti at Dollar Tree. So, you know, that's about $2.50 there. And so then, I bought this Parmesan cheese for $1, and I keep that in the freezer because that's going to be good on my spaghetti, a little Parmesan cheese. And I have some mint tea, which I like because it's caffeine free. 1/16 teaspoon cinnamon. And this is a pretty inexpensive tea. I buy it at the dollar store, 99 cents only. What is it? 12 bags for $1. And then I have a little honey. I'm not real picky about honey. And some lemon. And I buy lemon juice, the big bottles, when I can find them. So I'll be right back now. Let me taste this. Let me taste this spaghetti. And it's cheap too, you know, $2.50. It's not going to break us. All right, let me taste this. The thing about this is in 5 minutes you've got dinner. And this week I'm going to be making all super cheap, easy food for dinner. And here's my thumbprint cookies. And I only had one left, unfortunately. I buy these for 99 cents, at 99 cents only. Because these cookies are these are chocolate chip ones. And they're so tasty, you dip them in the tea. So there is my 99 cent turkey spaghetti. And God bless you all.